Welcome to Idea Sessions. In this video, we will cover 10 reasons why journaling can help you with inner healing and growth. Self-reflection. Through the act of writing, individuals delve into their innermost thoughts, emotions, and experiences, gaining profound insights into themselves. By articulating their feelings and experiences on paper, they create a space for introspection, enabling them to untangle complex emotions and identify underlying patterns. This process not only facilitates emotional release, but also cultivates self-awareness, a cornerstone of personal growth. Through regular journaling, individuals embark on a journey of self-discovery, uncovering their values, beliefs, and aspirations. This heightened self-awareness empowers them to make informed choices, confront inner conflicts, and embark on a path of healing and transformation. In essence, journaling becomes a sacred practice of self-reflection, nurturing the soul and fostering profound inner growth. Emotional release. Through the written word, individuals can freely express and explore their emotions in a safe and non-judgmental space. By putting pen to paper, they unload burdensome feelings, whether it's grief, anger, or anxiety, releasing them from the confines of their mind. This process allows for a cathartic release, relieving emotional tension and creating space for healing. Furthermore, journaling enables individuals to gain clarity and insight into their emotions, helping them to understand the root causes and triggers. As a result, they can develop healthier coping mechanisms and cultivate emotional resilience, essential components of personal growth and well-being. In essence, journaling becomes a powerful tool for processing emotions, paving the way for profound inner healing and transformation. Clarity. Through the act of writing, individuals can organize their thoughts, emotions, and experiences, bringing coherence to their inner world. By articulating their concerns and aspirations on paper, they untangle complexities and gain insight into their values and priorities. Journaling provides a reflective space to explore different perspectives, enabling individuals to see situations more clearly and make informed decisions. This clarity not only enhances problem-solving abilities, but also empowers individuals to navigate challenges with greater confidence and resilience. Over time, the practice of journaling cultivates a deeper understanding of oneself and one's life path, facilitating inner healing and facilitating a journey of personal growth and transformation. Identifying patterns. Through consistent writing, individuals can observe recurring thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that shape their lives. By documenting daily experiences and reflections, patterns begin to emerge, revealing underlying beliefs, triggers, and habits. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards self-awareness and transformation. Journaling provides a space to explore the origins and implications of these patterns, enabling individuals to break free from negative cycles and cultivate healthier alternatives. As they gain insight into their patterns, individuals can make conscious choices to align their actions with their values and aspirations. In essence, journaling becomes a journey of discovery, empowering individuals to break old patterns, embrace change, and embark on a path of inner healing and growth. Setting goals. Through the process of writing, individuals can articulate their aspirations, dreams, and intentions with clarity and purpose. By documenting goals in a journal, they create a tangible roadmap for their journey of growth and transformation. Regularly revisiting these goals allows for reflection and adjustment, ensuring alignment with personal values and priorities. Journaling also provides a space to explore obstacles and develop strategies for overcoming challenges, fostering resilience and determination. As individuals make progress towards their goals, they experience a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment, nurturing their self-esteem and confidence. In essence, journaling empowers individuals to envision their desired future, take proactive steps towards it, and cultivate a life of purpose and meaning. Gratitude practice. Through the act of writing, individuals can reflect on their blessings, big and small, and express appreciation for the abundance in their lives. By regularly documenting moments of gratitude in a journal, they cultivate a positive mindset, and shift their focus towards the goodness around them. This practice not only uplifts spirits, but also fosters resilience in the face of challenges. Over time, journaling about gratitude deepens self-awareness and strengthens emotional well-being, promoting inner healing and a sense of fulfillment. By embracing gratitude as a daily practice, individuals nurture a mindset of abundance and attract more positivity into their lives, fueling their journey of personal growth and transformation. Self-discovery. Through reflective writing, individuals embark on a journey of exploration into their innermost thoughts, emotions, and experiences. By documenting their dreams, fears, and aspirations, they gain profound insights into their values, beliefs, strengths, and weaknesses. Journaling prompts and exercises provide a structured framework for self-exploration, encouraging individuals to delve deeper into their identity and purpose. As they uncover hidden truths and untapped potential, they develop a deeper sense of self-awareness and empowerment. This process of self-discovery not only promotes healing from past wounds, but also lays the foundation for personal growth and transformation. By embracing the practice of journaling, individuals embark on a path of self-discovery, leading to greater fulfillment and authenticity in their lives. Problem solving. Through the act of writing, individuals gain clarity on challenges they face, enabling them to dissect issues, explore solutions, and consider various perspectives. Journaling provides a safe space to brainstorm ideas, weigh options, and articulate action plans. By documenting thoughts and emotions related to a problem, individuals can untangle complexities, identify root causes, and devise effective strategies for resolution. This process not only enhances problem-solving skills, but also cultivates resilience and adaptability. Furthermore, reflecting on past solutions and outcomes recorded in journals allows individuals to learn from experiences and refine their approach to future challenges. In essence, journaling empowers individuals to navigate obstacles with confidence, fostering inner healing and facilitating personal growth. Tracking progress. Through the act of writing, individuals document their journey, recording milestones, setbacks, and insights along the way. By regularly reviewing past entries, they gain perspective on their growth trajectory, celebrating achievements and identifying areas for improvement. Journaling provides a tangible record of progress, serving as a source of motivation and accountability. As individuals witness their evolution over time, they cultivate a sense of accomplishment and confidence in their abilities. Additionally, tracking progress in a journal allows for reflection on lessons learned and adjustments to goals and strategies. In essence, journaling becomes a dynamic tool for self-reflection and empowerment, guiding individuals on their path towards inner healing and personal growth. Self-care. By setting aside time to write, individuals prioritize their mental and emotional well-being, creating a sacred space for self-expression and reflection. Journaling offers a therapeutic outlet for processing emotions, reducing stress, and promoting relaxation. Through the act of writing, individuals honor their thoughts and feelings, validating their experiences and fostering self-compassion. Regular journaling practice encourages individuals to prioritize self-care amidst life's demands, replenishing their energy and resilience. Furthermore, journaling serves as a form of self-nurturing, allowing individuals to explore their needs, set boundaries, and cultivate healthy habits. In essence, journaling becomes a daily ritual of self-love and empowerment, supporting individuals on their journey towards inner healing and personal growth. Overall, journaling can serve as a valuable tool for inner healing and growth by promoting self-awareness, emotional expression, and personal development. If you found value in today's video, make sure to watch our other videos about mental health and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. By subscribing, it will help us do similar videos. So if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. In the description below, they are links that can help you work on reducing your anxiety, stress, insomnia, and depression. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.